What if we have more than one product that we need? So how do we iterate to show the details? So what we're going to see in this video, for that, we're going to generate one more component. We already know how to do it. So let's go ahead and use the same, but then this time I'm going to pluralize it. I'm going to say ngGC, then say products and instead of product. So that should create the products. I'm going to go to the TS file. Let's generate an array. So we'll call this products, which is going to be a product array. And in my constructor, say this dot products is equal to an array. Say new product. I can provide the value. Price and quantity. I could provide as many as I want. Let's just stop with 3. There we go. So we have 3 different products that are available. And how do we iterate to show the details? For this, let me just pick up the products HTML so that my work would be a little easier. Let's copy it. And here we go. So let's go ahead and paste it here. Now, it just gives me an error because there is no product as of now. Now, for iteration, we're going to use an directive. Now, this is called the structural directive. Directives in Angular help us to direct an element to do something. Now, we call these structural directives because it edits the DOM structure on our HTML. Now, that is indicated by the asterisk at the beginning. You can notice there, right there. So, the directive that you're going to use is called ngFor. Now, ngFor allows us to declare a variable in the collection. Now, that should bring up a diff for every product that we have. Now, remember, we have not included that in the app.component. So I'm going to just change it to products. So it's no more going to show the product, but instead, it's going to show more than one product. Let's see, there's something that went wrong. So let's go to the control, say ngFor does not have in, of course. So off. And then we're going to bring up the products. Now there we go. You can see the products lining up right there. Isn't it pretty cool? So we have the product that just got displayed. And then there are our products. Now you could include the styling that you want. The product had a styling. Now we could include the style if you want right here as well. That's the CSS we would like to have. Call this products and include that in our. So that should make the size different. Yep. And you could add floating, whatever you want. So there goes our iteration. So for every product in the collection, the display gets iterated.